Welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome. Today's video is a haul video. It's only one item because I'm not waiting for everything else. Yeah, I ordered more items. Yeah. If you watch my other videos, you'll know I went on a sticker bender. So this is one of the sticker benders that occurred during the month of September. But this is a haul video for osopaper.com. This is a order from osopaper.com. I ordered about 9 items from the shop. I'm just going to take this. Hold on, let me just hold it there. So I'm going to take this. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I could probably cut out this little circle and use her on my planner. So let's put you can go here. Also paper. So it comes in this little envelope, pink envelope, and all the stickers come inside of it. So we have, these are my stickers. I'm so happy. I'm legit happy. Okay, so we're gonna go one by one. So this is the 1922 Mini Friend Sorority Row Stickers. So as you guys should know, if you look down in my video, I don't know what you would call it. Basically the place where all my videos are. If you look at my channel, you'll see that I did join a sorority last year. It's almost a year. I'm about to be a year old. So it is Sigma Gamma Rho Sorority Incorporated, and our founder year is 1922. So because she's not necessarily a vendor for the sorority, she can't really put the letters on her stickers, or she could get sued. So I see what she did. She did a clever thing. She put the year. So she has all the D9s stickers. It's like this, but just different colors, different numbers. And I found it really cute, so I can mark down conferences. So this can be my conference, because I do have a conference coming up. She's wearing Sigma Business. She's looking lovely. I want that jumpsuit. I want that jumpsuit now. So yeah, so it's really cute. So I can't wait to mark up my calendar with events, important events. I should have got 2, but I wanted to get 1 to see how I like the stickers. And the thing about her stickers, in the back, it's like see-through. Like I don't know what type of sticker paper she's using, but it's interesting. Like, let me see. Like, you see that when I lift it up? It's, I don't know how to explain it, but it's different. It's really different than any other sticker company that I've purchased from so far. Then we have the Peekaboo Mini, and her name is Courtney, and the C stands for curly, and then the bright stands for the color patterns. So Courtney seems like she's about my skin complexion, if you can see. And curly because I have curly hair. They have locks, they have straight, they have pixie cut. They have a whole bunch of hairstyles. So yeah, so this is basically to, like, on the edges of your functional stickers. You have her peeking out, which is cute. This is really cute. Then you have a mini squad. So it's if I'm going out with my friends, with my sorors, with my besties, whoever I'm going out with. I can put this as a, you know, on the planning date to signify that we're going out. These are a little bigger than your typical stickers, so it might take up a few boxes, maybe, yeah, two boxes at most. But yeah, it's honestly really cute. So if I want to have a spa day, if we just hanging out, pizza, pajama, sleepover, you know. And I love this one right here where she's lifting up her friend's head and she's adjusting her crown, like, girl, you are a queen and don't forget it. This is really cute. And then this could be like brunch. Like, this is really cute. Like, it's really cute. Then we have Minnie and Mr. Man. So this is cute. So you have, I have it in Courtney curls and beard. So the guy only comes with a beard. So if your man don't got a beard, he got a beard now. So this is with Courtney, and she has curly hair. And, you know, it's different for like a wedding, just date night, formal, just chilling, and a little kiss. And then I got two. This one is the one I got two in because I got wigs. So maybe one day I want to have straight hair and not my curly hair. So I bought two to signify what you know, what my hair is gonna be like. Or even I can straighten my hair, but I don't see that in the near future. Then we have Many Friends Fall Collection. So you have Courtney with her pumpkin. She's raking leaves. She's doing a hayride. She's a scarecrow, and then just regular fall attire on the bottom. So it's like really cute. I can't wait to use this. I could use one of this for when we go to Fright Fest, when we go pumpkin picking, and they have hay rides or whatever the case may be. So this is really cute. Then something I have to do today. You have Courtney washing her hair. So it's Many Friends Wash Day, and this one is the Sweet Life. So these are the two collections. It's Bright and Sweet Life. So these are the color patterns that they provide. This one is more, I wouldn't say pastel, but it's more mute in the colors. Like, the colors are softer than this one. The colors are more bold. So it's Bright and then Sweet Life. So like I was saying, she is washing her hair, you know, her curly hair. And this one also comes in different hair types. So yeah, hair styles, not hair type, styles. Then we have at work. So this is cute. I can use this for school. I can use this for planning Etsy. I can use this for editing. Like, I can use this for anything. I really should have got, honestly, I might go back and buy seconds of all of these that I purchased plus more, because she has a lot of things on her shop. But she just uploaded a few more things and I want all of them. So we have Nope, Not Today, and she's crossing her hands, crossing her arms, and this is again in the Bright. I should have got the Sweet Life, but I love the orange color. The orange color looks so beautiful. So basically, she has her little curly curl. She's not feeling it. She's not having it today, you know, which is some of the days I be having. So yeah, so this is honestly really cute. This is really cute. So that concludes my sticker haul from Also Paper. And then her motto is where fun meets functional. So that's really cute. So I hope you like this video. I really enjoyed these stickers from what I see so far. Can't wait to put them in my planner, which I'm about to pop this one into my planner because we definitely want to see the Joker. 2 days ago, and I want to put that on my planner. The reason why I'm so happy that this came... Oh, let's go over some specs. This might be pushed to the beginning of the video. So, the shipping was actually really, really fast. She took probably a week to process, if not 4 days to process. And it came as soon as possible. It was like literally 3 days, it's at my door. And I'm really happy that it was so fast. And because it's like you're typically used to processing time of 2-3 weeks, and it's so annoying, but she came so fast. I do believe it's a person of color that makes these stickers, and it's really enjoyable to see stickers that look like us, that look like me, that has my hair color, that has my hair type, that has curly hair, has locks, has a pixie cut, has straight long hair. Like it represents us. It represents me. And it's great. And I don't know, I think I found this shop on Instagram. Like, I was just scrolling on Instagram and I saw the 1922 and I was like, let me check this out. And then I saw all of her stuff, and not a lot of people post her hauls on YouTube. So I was looking for, you know, videos that shows her stickers, and I could not find anything for the life of me. So I'm gonna make it my business to make sure she is represented on this YouTube platform. Whether I'm getting 1 view, 2 views, 3 views, I'm gonna make sure that every time I put her stickers on my planner, her name is in the title or in the description or in the tags. Like, I'm making sure that she is shown, because these stickers are beautiful. Like, especially the representation, the sisterhood that's in the stickers, with the girl holding her crown up, where, like, it's beautiful. It's honestly beautiful. So this is another reason why this is a standalone video, and it's not going to be paired with my Once With Love stickers that are coming in soon. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one. Most likely a budget one. Alright, bye.